Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share a really great, free app for recovering deleted photos in high quality. The app has both a free and a paid version. We'll be using the free version, as it's sufficient for recovering deleted photos in high quality. You'll find the app link in the first comment. Before we start explaining, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Let's begin. The first step, my friend, is to go to your phone's gallery. As you can see, this is the gallery of photos and albums I have. Here, I'll select all these photos and delete them. Now that I've deleted these photos, go to this app, the link to which you'll find in the first comment. Then, click on Start Basic Photo Scan. After that, the process of scanning and wiping your phone will begin to recover all, or almost all, deleted photos. As you can see, more than 200 photos have been recovered so far. These are the deleted photos that have been successfully recovered. Now I can recover all of them, or I can recover any photo I want. I wanted to recover everything. Click on the three small dots here, then click on Select All. After that, click on Restore at the bottom. After clicking Restore, click here in the middle on Save Files to a specific location on your device. Click on it. This will take you to the folder or file where you want to save the recovered photos. Then click Select. Now, the files are being saved. As you can see, the files have been successfully recovered. Now, go to your phone's gallery, and as you can see, all the photos have been successfully recovered. You will find the app link in the first comment. If you have any questions or inquiries, please write them in the comments. We'll meet again in a future video, God willing.